This video reviews the Trac 8TRx Assembly Procedure. Recommended tools. Step 1. Remove the product from the packaging. Take the rear leveling feet from the hardware card and install them onto the foot studs. Step 2. Remove and set aside the motor shroud. Step 3. Install the left upright weldment. Do not fully tighten. Step 4. Route the wiring fish line from the mast to the motor compartment, then install the right upright weldment. Do not fully tighten. Step 5. Place left and right upright trim rings onto the respective weldment. Note, the trim rings are left-right specific. Step 6. Route the cable bundle through the right upright weldment into the motor compartment, then slide the handrail weldment onto the uprights. Step 7. Fasten the handrail weldment onto the right upright. Repeat for the left handrail, then fully tighten all other upright hardware from steps 3 and 4. Step 8. Route the cables from the mast into the motor compartment, then connect as shown. Step 9. Install the hotbar weldment, then loosely secure the fasteners. Tighten the bottom screws first, then tighten the upper screw. Torque to 48 foot-pounds in the same order. Step 10. Loosely install the left and right transition rim plastics. Step 11. Install the left side bed cover and upright grommet. Repeat for the right side. Step 12. Reinstall the motor shroud and tighten all the fasteners. Step 13. Secure left and right side bed caps. Step 14. Drape all wires from the base out the back of the mast, then install the display onto the weldment, ensuring the bottom of the display is behind the hotbar shroud. Loosely fasten. Step 15. Connect power, wireless charging, data, hotbar, and heart rate cables. Refer to the decal on the inner back display plastic for routing pathways. Tuck unused cables back into the mast weldment. Tighten display fasteners. Step 16. Snap the back display plastic into place, then install the transition trim piece. Tighten all transition plastics. Step 17. Plug the power cord into the power inlet and secure the strain relief zip tie. Step 18. Assembly complete. Refer to the 2025 LED startup video for registration, Wi-Fi connection, and software update procedures, or the owner's manual for further setup and use options.